Hello, my name is Juba and I'm today's desert soil baker. So I'm gonna be making some really hardy, organic, healthy soil that's gonna feed these plants in the plant nursery at Joshua Tree National Park. To start, I'm combining 12 cubic feet of perlite, 12 cubic feet of sand, and 6 cubic feet of soil with a pinch of slow-release fertilizer. The sand is for drainage, the soil provides nutrients, the perlite retains moisture, and the fertilizer gives the plants a boost. Some of Joshua Tree's finest soil mixture. This is gonna help keep these plants alive for a whole year in the nursery before we put them out into the wild. And once they're established, after 1 year, we can put them out into the park. These Joshua trees are the real judges of today's bake-off, as they're gonna be in the park for so many years to come.